ಓಕೆ.
ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಅರವಟ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಊರಿದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. ಒಂದು 7 years ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲಲ್ಲಿ. ಈ ಕಲಿತಕ್ಕಂತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಮುಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ 2 months ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
Okay, sir, you please.
I am Danny PS and I am from Kerala. I have a graduation in computer science and a mechanical diploma. And I have 3 years of experience.
Nice.
So I decided to upgrade my skills.
Okay, very good. Sir, you.
My name is Ilon Lago and I am from Arunachal Pradesh. I have a BSc Agriculture from agriculture.
Okay, fine. Sir, you.
My name is Vinay Duna. I'm from Bangalore. I have done my BBA. I'm starting this course.
Okay.
My name is Ayush. I'm studying BCom and I'm doing this course for my garage.
Okay.
My own business is HDM Motors. I'm working in commercial vehicles department for
Very
last 2 years.
My name is Subramaniam. I am coming in Andhra Pradesh, Rajahmundry. I am working now at Maruti Suzuki electrician cum technical leader. I personally interested to ECM repairing. That's why I am coming. My industry experience, outside experience 8 years, Maruti experience 12 years.
Very good, very good.
Myself Kranti Kumar, I am from Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my BTech from electrical engineering. After that I have taken over my father's business, and now I want to start my own business. That's why I come to
Very good. Sir, you please.
My name is Sheikh Nasir. I am from Andhra Pradesh, Indore. I am electrician and I am interested to do this.
Very good. Sir, you.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸತ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮಾ ECU ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮಾ ಈ ವರ್ಕ್ 6 months ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನಿಂಗು ಡಯಾಗ್ನೋಸಿಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Very good.
ಈ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ECM ರಿಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Very good. Sir, you.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮೈಪೂರ್ ಜೈಬರ್ ಅಂತ. ಗದಗಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಷಿಯನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮದು 15 ವರ್ಷ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸು. ಇದು ECM ರಿಪೇರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ.
Very good, very good, very good.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಸಿಗ್ತಾನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು. ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಹತ್ರ 3-4 ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಬಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ.
That's the very most important topic. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So the modern vehicles, every vehicle is equipped with advanced timing system. So without advanced timing system, these engines are not performing normal. If the advanced timing system fails in the car, means do you know how the car behaves? So please explain that problem.
Car missing.
Very good. First problem is missing.
Stall to starting.
Suddenly vehicle won't start.
Mileage is very low.
Mileage very, very low. Very good. Next.
Pollution problem.
Heavy pollution problem. Next. These are the regular problem in the latest vehicles. If the advanced timing system fails in the car.
Low pickup.
Very good. The main problem is what? Low pickup. If the timing system of a car fails, means that's the first problem what we have faced. So shall we start with the exact meaning of advanced timing? In every car, it is equipped with the advanced timing system. This system is implemented only in petrol vehicles. Please be in the mind. It is not implemented in any diesel cars. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಯಾವುದು ಡೀಸೆಲ್ ಕಾರಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಡೀಸೆಲ್ ಈಸ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಕಂಪ್ರೆಷನ್. ಬಟ್ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ it's depending on spark plug. So that's the difference between petrol and diesel vehicle. So the diesel is completely compressed by itself. Then only it is getting high compression. Because of the high compression, temperature exceeded. Because of that reason, it will get explode. But in petrol, if you just make a fire means then only it will start fire. Or else it will be silent only. If you make high compression also, that's the disadvantage of petrol engine. So why petrol engines are having lot of missing problem? Because of spark plug only. So every petrol vehicles need to maintain for every 10,000 kilometer. But diesel vehicle?
Diesel vehicle have no spark plugs.
What's the maintenance of diesel vehicle?
Injectors.
What is the real maintenance of diesel vehicle? That is the only answer. But in petrol vehicle, what's the real maintenance?
Spark plug.
Only spark. That's the only difference between spark plug and injector sachet. You got idea now? Okay, fine. Assume that you are a very good batsman. You are going to do batting in 3 different modes. One is what? Defense. One is what? Hitting. Directly for the 4. And next one is what?
Hitting.
6. We are having defense and there is no like single runs. Just we call it as defense. And next one is what? 4. And next one is what? 6. for to apply the 6 means how you need to face the bat for the ball. At which particular timing you need to face the ball. Think in the way of cricket. To hit for the 4, you can't use this like a 6 actually. Sometime maybe by God luck that ball will go like a 6 actually. But if the ball is going on the boundary means, it will be considered as 4. The timing, how you applied the hit for the ball, that is called the timing. The same incident will happen inside the engine also. But in the engine we are not having defense, we are not having 4, we are not having 6. But the same scenario, what the particular time you are making fire, based on that it will hit like a 4, it will hit like a 6, it will hit like a defense. It will be taken care automatically. You need not to do any more. In Tata cars we are having different knobs. City mode, sports mode, eco mode. Do you know what is the exact meaning of city mode, eco mode, sports mode? Any idea?
City means
It's nothing but advanced timing selections only. Exactly. It is not any special feature. It is just making a default condition of the engine power working in which mode. Maybe in light mode, heavy mode or sports mode. So that all, if you want to do remapping means this advanced timing is very most important. Right. So originally firing order there. What I asked the roll number here, the same roll number is also for the individual cylinder. Do you know that roll number? 134 2. Which cylinder will take fire first? First. Next cylinder? Third one. Next? 4. Next? 2. Okay. If the fire angle detected means which cylinder will start fire here? First cylinder. After finish of firing, next which cylinder will take fire? Third. Next after that which cylinder will fire? Next after that which cylinder will fire? 2. Now after that which cylinder will fire? 1. In between that it will process all the exhaust and intake and compression is at the top dead center. Now in every old car what's the firing order?
134.
If the driver is only cruising the car, or else if the car is coming with 3 passengers, if the car is comes with full load, what's the firing order? And what about the mileage? Same. You will not get any difference as per the mode, as per the power. If the vehicle is fully loaded means what will be the engine power? It will become like a Omni car. Second gear you can't drive in 4th gear also, 3rd gear also. But in present vehicles, in heavy load also you can drive with 4th gear. That's the advantage. Why? Because advanced time. In this old cars, there is no any fire order selections. With single driver, with 3 passengers, with fully loaded. Assume like one Innova Krista, petrol. With only driver cruising means what it meaning? Light load. If it is cruising with 3 members means moderate load. If the vehicle is cruising with complete 7-seater means full load. Shall we see the example here how the engine will make a fire as per the load of engine?
Sir, ಇದು 1342 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಸ್ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿಸ್ಟನ್ ಬಂದು ತುದಿ ಬಂದು ನಿಂತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಫೈರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹೋಯ್ತು. ತಿರ್ಗಾ 4 ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಫೈರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ಗೆ. ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಎಲ್ಲೋಯ್ತು? ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಂತಾ? ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಫೈರ್ ಆಯ್ತು? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಫೈರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಫೈರ್ ಆದಾಗ ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ರೆಡಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಫೈರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ರೆಡಿ ಫೈರ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ 4-stroke ಕಂಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಟೈಪ್. 2-stroke ಇಂಜಿನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, 4-stroke ಇಂಜಿನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಂಜಿನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಹೈ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್? 2-stroke or 4-stroke? 2-stroke or 4-stroke? 2-stroke. Which engines are highly powerful compared to 2-stroke or 4-stroke? 2-stroke. Very good. RX100. ಯಾಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟನ್ಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಅಂತ. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ 2-stroke. ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಆಟೋ ರಿಕ್ಷಾ ವೈ ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ 2-stroke ಇಂಜಿನ್. ಬಟ್ ಎಮಿಷನ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಹೈ. Very very high. There will be no monitoring under pollution control. Banta fuel spray maadu ಹೊಡೆದಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋ. It is nothing but like a smoking continuously without giving single brake. Single brake ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ? ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಹೊಡೆದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂತಾರೋ ಆ ಥರ ಇಂಜಿನ್. ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಎಮಿಷನ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಜಿನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗರೆಟ್ ಸೇರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್. ಆ ಥರ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ.